Alright, hello. So today I'm going to be talking about the food, water, energy nexus. And out of these three areas, I think that Paris is most unsustainable in its food supply or food systems. This is largely due to the rise in prices recently, and it's gotten to the point where more and more households are skipping meals, they're unable to buy healthy food, and the amount of people on food aid has doubled within the past 10 years. Food insecurity has become a major problem that has a lot of potential to be remedied. This is why I'm going to continue to talk about France's food system for the next section. If food is already unsustainable in France, then the potential to improve is greater by default. One way to mitigate that issue would be to reduce unnecessary food waste. Up to 40% of all grown food remains uneaten, which is a number that can be reduced by changing regulations on what needs to be thrown away and when. In fact, there's a whole market for discarded food, which is food that's perfectly safe to eat through companies like Imperfect Foods that pick items that were supposed to be thrown away and then deliver them right to your door. Things like apples that are weirdly misshapen, or things that just, they have like very small imperfections, but they're still fine. But another way to help people on a more personal level is to increase education on the topic of food insecurity, because if people know how to eat healthy, choose the right items, and not feel like they're being wasteful, then it'll be better for them in the long run. Making sure people are educated and informed is always a good start to improving most situations. However, to reiterate, the larger issue at hand here has to do with larger scale things like promoting sustainable farming practices, reducing waste, and making sure healthy food is accessible in the first place so people can make these decisions based on what's already in place. Thank you.